Hey guys, it's Johnny with RV SWAT, and today we're going to go over some more pay from Expediting. Now I am running a little behind. I'm about a week behind on this, so in this video we're going to go over 2 weeks of pay for Expediting. Before we get into that, if you don't mind, click the thumbs up button, click the subscribe, and the notification bell if you want notifications for the next video coming out. Now if you see me looking down, I'm sorry, I'm looking down at my notes, so forgive me for looking down, but this is going to be a very short video, extremely quick. We're just going to get into the last two paychecks, what the gross was, and then next video coming out we're going to go over the month of February, complete details, breakdowns of cost per mile, profit per mile, how many total miles were done, including unloaded miles, all that stuff. So if you're looking for the details and the breakdown, stay tuned for the next video. But real quick for this video, 2 weeks pay. 1 week I done 2,978 miles and my pay was $1,665.60. Now remember, this is from a driver perspective. I do not own the van, so I only get 60% of what the van makes. So 60% of what the van made when my gross was $1,665.60. The following week I drove 3,967 miles. My paycheck was $2,043.96. So again, $2,043.96. that is my gross. I do have to pay, I have the expense of fuel that comes out of my cost. If you own the van, you would make 40% more than this, but then you had the expense of probably a van note, insurance, and maintenance. So you can work all those numbers up yourself. You have a better idea after the next video whenever I break everything down for you. But again, last paycheck, $2,043.96. all that comes out of that is the fuel expense, and we'll go more into detail on that in the next video. Stay tuned.